I love it when you have a very natural setting for a home to bring the outdoors in. As a designer, there are lots of things I can do to bring the outdoors in. I was really inspired by the granite. The colors of the palette of this space completely came out of all the colors that were in the granite. So there's cream and light gray and taupe and chocolate brown, and those colors inspired the space. So in keeping integrity with the design of the architect, it was important to me to bring the outdoors in and use organic natural fibers such as, hardwood floors, linen fabric, cottons, wool carpets, elements that complete the space as how it was designed. There are many different ways we can bring these elements into the space. I took bark from a tree from outside, for example, made coasters out of some slices of wood. There's jute on the handle of the glass vase. It's as simple as bringing some branches from outdoors and sitting in a vase with some sand or some river rock, or bringing flowers from outside and using them or buying them at the store. Most of my clients are inspired by nature, so it makes sense to bring the outdoors in.